What's up, guys? I hope you're doing well. Here, Musto. I'm back again, this time with a project in the field of social networking. As you see on your screen, I have recently developed this social networking site for sharing scientific posts and information with other people around the world, and it's totally free. If you are interested in such platforms, just spend a little bit of time to explore more about this website. I actually plan to show you more details and features of the website in this video, but just to show you quickly how it looks like in general and tell you some of the features. Um, as you see on your screen, we have an area which is like a carousel, and it shows the top 5 posts, and this is generated automatically by the algorithm and backend, and it is based on the scores that the users give to any post, but either by liking or loving the post. And here you see the latest post is based on the date of the posts that are created, and then we have a section which includes all other posts. So it has a very unique design and very simple design. It's simple to understand and to use. Just by clicking on any post, for example, let's see, click here, you will then just jump to the page which tells it more about the post and the text describing the post, and then all the tags and etc. Also, we have a section on the bottom which shows all the users who are already registered themselves on this platform, and if they are online, the icon will be like brighter, and if they are offline, it will look like this. So, and then we have also verified people. So this tick is the sign of verification, and by clicking on any of the icons here, you will then jump to the public profile of the user, and you will have an overview of the user's activities. For example, this one is me. If I jump now to my profile, I have been more active on this website, so you will get more information. I also have the link to my website, also you can contact me, and etc. So yeah, if you interested in this website and want to know more, just keep watching this video. I'm going to dive into it. Thank you for watching. Great. So, um, I would like to tell you, like let's come from top to down. And as you see, we have a nav bar on the top, and if you are not logged in, it will look like this. So you only have the login button. So you will click on that, and it shows the pop-up, so login pop-up or the registration. If you click here, and then we have the search button, and then we have this one which jumps to my profile. Let me click on that. It goes to my website, and then because it's the developer, and as you actually see, if you stay on that, it tells you I learn about the developer. And this one is the search button, and jumps if you click on that, it jumps to this page, and you can now search any post based on the criteria that you give using these input fields. So let's say author, or let's say the category, for example, is the health science, and if I click on that, it shows only health science posts. Or if I write a title, for example, like this one is be a fit kit, so let's just write kit here, and then it only shows me the kit. So if I click on kit, then it jumps to the page and shows me all the details. Great, so let's go back, and then here on the top you will have these shortcuts, so like sports science, health science, artificial intelligence, and other areas. So it shows all the areas that are also available, and also we have something like others, which if your post doesn't fit to this already named area, so you can just select others. The website will look like somehow different a little bit if you log into the website. So first you need to um, create user account for yourself. So just click on that and this button here, and then this one will pop up, and then go to register here. You should use a unique username and also email address. If you don't use it, it will give you an error. And then you should have a password which is valid based on the criteria of the website of the validation. And then you should select avatar for yourself from the list. And after all you are correct, you can then register yourself. So on this website all input fields have a very interesting validation error notification. For example, if I now just write something on the password and it's not correct, so then all of a sudden this pop-up will come and tell you all the uh, criteria that are needed and required for the password, for example. Or for the username, if I click here and then do something like, let's say, I think it should be 3 characters, so let's do 2 characters. And now if I wait, and then it will show me again the validation criteria. And then yeah, and after you register, you will get the email verification, and then you should just click on that, the link that you get from the email, and then verify your email address, and then after that you are allowed to log in. So this is a kind of security mechanism. Okay, great. I have already now logged into the website. So as you see, we have now more features here on the top. Let me show you how the user profile looks like. If I go here and then click on that, then you have these 3 options. So user profile is the first one. So the user profile looks like this. Now I'm in my user profile as a user. So this is the thing that you only see as a user when you go to your own account. There are also some stuff that are available in your public profile, like your stats and also the bio, but not your email address. And also, like, the link is not like this. You will have just the link that is written like visit my website on your public profile. But more or less, your user account and the public profile look so similar, with the exception that your user profile shows you more information, especially the infos that are shouldn't be publicly available. And on the button you will have your activities here, so it shows all the posts, bookmarks that are saved, comments if you have put any comment on any post, and then reactions are like if you have liked or disliked any post, and then the feedbacks if you had. And then we have also the section like send contact requests and receive contact requests. So I have like sent a contact request to this guy, like a job offer, and then as you see, like, it is also shown here. And if I have if I would receive one, it will be shown here if I click on this tab. And then you have also other features here. You can refresh your user data if you click on that without refreshing the page, or you can also ask for user verification. I have already done that, so that's why it's green. Otherwise it will be black and it will be enabled. So now it's disabled. I cannot click on that, and then it will send an email to the admin and asking for user verification. And here there is reset password, so you can reset your password, or you can also delete your account. So I'm not going to do that. Yeah, and then there are all information. By the way, they're all dynamically changeable, so you can click on that and then just make it smaller if you don't want to see that. And during using the app, you will see more pages that have same design, so it's easy to use and easy to understand. One of the features that you immediately understand or realize after you log in is the login session. So when you log into the website, this guy comes from right top right down and then goes to left. So for example, if I refresh the page, it will also the same, like come down and then goes to the left and then stays there. It will again go sleep and come back, goes and come back. So it shows you the time that you have left after you logged in. So normally we have 60 minutes. If I click on that, we can also refresh. So if I refresh the session, I click that, it will again be 60 minutes. So it sends a request to the backend and then asks for refreshing the refresh token. That's why for refreshing the access token, and then you will have again a new session. At the end, when the 60 minutes is also finished, it will also show you a notification and asks you whether you want to refresh or not. If you refresh, again 60 minutes you have. If you're not, your data will be deleted, the login data, and then your browser will be clean, so no one can then see your data later, and you will be logged out safely. Yeah, that's what I wanted to tell you. You can also refresh the login session from here and also log out. Yeah, these are like user related features, like user account related features. Great, so I'm still logged in. I want to show you more features of the website. So here you have the add a new post section. If I click here, it comes to add post form, and then I just fill out all the fields, and then I can add the post. Here, the important thing here to know is that you have again the validation pop-up or validation notification. So if I write something here and it's not correct, let's say I give some characters which are not allowed, for example this one, now I get a pop-up and it tells me like common and special characters are allowed and gives you some examples. So this guy is not allowed. If I delete it, then it will be valid. They all have a length, so as you see, as I type here or write here, you will see the length changes and it shows the max also. Important thing here is to know like the visibility means basically whether you want to let other people to see your post or not. So if you make it private, it will only be for you and available to you. If you log into the website and go to your user profile, you will see that. So it's basically for a time that you are not sure about your post, you just want to save it here, and then later you want to come and edit it and then make it public. All posts that are public will be shown to other people. So that's the difference here. Category is simple to understand. If you don't find it here, just click others. And then source URL is the URL of the let's say the information, the source of the information that you find is somewhere on the internet, or if it's your also findings and so on, it should be available somewhere else. Otherwise you cannot put a URL here, and it's also a required field. These two guys are not required, but if you give, it will be better. For example, you can find an image from unsplash.com or somewhere else, a free image, or if the source has already an image, just copy the address of the image and paste it here. The video also can be like something like a link from YouTube or somewhere else, like it should be a video one. And then in the end you have tags. So tags, for example, if I write like tag 1 and then add, it comes here. You can also delete it again and just go back. In the end, all the tags that you add here will be attached to the post. As you already noticed, we have like on the top some of the shortcuts to just help you jump to the page or relevant posts that you like. For example, if I click on artificial intelligence, it jumps to the page that shows only artificial intelligence related posts, like the top 5. We only have 5 posts now. And also here I can click on other other categories. For example, physics, I think we have some posts. Let's click on physics, so it comes to me about 1 post. Any where on this website, if you click on the post for either here, here, or here, it will jump to the post detail page. So it basically shows everything about the post. On the top you have the category, and then title, and then the author. This is the name of the real author of the post, which you should give while adding the post. And then this guy will come automatically after you post it. So it is the guy, the name of the guy has posted, and the date. Here we have the link to the original article. So this is the source URL that you give while adding the post. And then you have also the post. So this one is a photo from somewhere. If I click on that, as you see, it jumps to this page, and this is where the photo comes from. So this is the image URL that you should give. And then we have a text here, long text, and then this more is again the link to the original article. So if I click here, it jumps to the original article, and then you can read more about this if you are interested. And then in the end we have the tags, and then on the right, as a user, I'm the user, and I'm not the owner of the post, so I just only get these three buttons. So the left one is the reaction, so let's like the post, for example. I love the post actually. And then let's save it. If I click here and I save it, and then I can also report the post. If I click here and I find it like not appropriate, I can report it. Title, content is not required, but you can give it. And then the category also required. When I give it, then I have, let's like give it like not a good one, let's say. And then you have the submit button is now enabled, and you can send it. So let's not just do that because it's a good post. Great, so that was about the post title. And then if you like, you can put a comment. So let's put a comment here. I say I love I don't know, physics, and then put a smiley. And then when I add it, it automatically goes. So as you see, I just added the smiley is here, and it's also set by you. So this is the only difference. If you are logged in and you see your own post or your comment, you see this one by you. That's it gives you the power to delete it because you are the owner. If I click on delete, I can delete it. So let's not delete it and put it here because it's a good post. I like it. Yeah, that was about the post detail. Great. Another cool feature, if you log into the website, is to go here and then send your feedback. I really appreciate if you do that because it helps me to improve the website. So you just come here and then write your message. For example, let's say the design of the main page is blah blah blah, please do that, blah blah blah. And then you just rate the platform. It's now 3, so it's from 1 to 5. If you do that, I will really appreciate that. You will get an email. You will also get an email, and then you will also have it on your user profile. You can see how many feedbacks you have given to me. So yeah, that helps me a lot. So please don't forget to send me some feedbacks. Another cool feature that the website has is the feature that you can uh, contact uh, one user on the website, and you can also report it. So let's do that. So if you come down, you will see the list of all the users, and let's say we want to go to this at the public profile of this guy. So I click on that and it jumped here. You see the information about the person. Also you see if the person is verified or not. Here there's a tick, and also the person is offline. That's why the icon is not that much bright, so the opacity is like less than 100%, and all this stuff about the user. So this is the public profile. Here we will have an icon and it says report the user. If I click on that, I have this pop-up and I can send a report, like let's say this guy has hate speech, is a spam and whatsoever. And then I should give a title, blah blah blah, and then send it. The admin will immediately get this report. You will also get a copy of that, and we will strongly consider your report. If you like the guy and you see the guy has done a tremendous job, you can just send a contact a request to the guy. So you go to contact me. You are now logged in. That's why this pop-up comes. Otherwise, it will show you an error. And now here you have the title and message. And as soon as you fill out the form and send it, you will get an email. The user will get an email and will be notified. And if you go also to your user profile, you will see how many people you have already sent a contact request. So that's the beauty of the website. You can communicate with people. And by the way, it's all safe and secure, because here, after you send a contact request, the user will not get any information other than your username. So it's on your email address, your other stuff will be hidden from the user. And also the user will get a link to your public profile, so can immediately check your public profile and maybe contact you back. But that's the beauty of the website, and it helps you to get connected with other fellows, and maybe you want to run a business and you're just looking for someone who has the same interest and passion. And the last but not least, I want to show you the unique characteristics of the website. So this is a web application. If you have already noticed, here there is the install button. If I click here, your browser will then install this web app on your device, either mobile or your laptop, and then you can use it just like a normal uh, application on your device. So it's not a browser based application, like you have to open the browser. It will be like an application which is normally installed on your device. And let me show you how it looks like if you use it on your mobile. It's highly responsive, so the design will instantly change if I change the size of the browser, or if I change the device by using this Chrome extension. And if you see here, the users are shown differently. Now I have less space, so it shows me like this, and then all the posts are also a little bit smaller, and we don't have any latest post uh, section anymore, but we have still the top posts section without any thumbnails here. And then we have all our navigations here on the left. If you click on them, then it will jump to the page which you want. So that's the difference of a normal website and a responsive web application. So as you see, it's highly responsive, and it works perfectly on any device of your choice, and I hope it will give you a good feeling while using the website. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned.